welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ant Knows Web. I'm a gamer, part-time philosopher, part-time businessman, part-time whatever you need me to be. Well, not whatever. But anyway, at first I just want to thank you guys for checking out my channel. We're going to have a lot of great content on here. We're going to have a lot of interesting things, mostly dealing with gaming, the gaming industry, different topics, just, man. Might even have some social commentary, might even talk a little politics. Maybe not. Might even talk about just anything, goofy stuff. And probably going to have some guests on here in the future. But anyway, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. A lot of this stuff might be based on commentary or just, whatever. Man, guys, have a great day. Enjoy yourself, and don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell also. Peace.